we complement each other. Sa maraming bagay. I have a checklist. So, lahat yun naka-check eh. As in, to the simplest detail of, sana Lord, the one for me, lagi naka-collar. Ganon ka-detail yung pagdadasal ko. Kasi ayoko na siyang nasa same industry ng music or artista. So that's one. Two, gusto ko panganay like me. So he is panganay. And unti-unti, each day, may mga nasasabi siya na, uy, ganun yung gusto ko. Marami yun. Yung bigla ko na sasabihin na, alam mo ba yun yung sabi ng mommy ko, na ganito dapat ang guys. Tapos maririnig ko from him without even telling him na yun yung sinabi ni mommy. So, these are the things that would make you say na, okay, we're meant to be. Third, masaya lang lahat. Tumitigil yung mundo when we're together. Nakakawala ng problema. Like, if I had a tough day, makita lang kami just to, hug each other and then we're okay. Okay na, wala na yung pagod mo, wala ka ng stress, and yeah, we're good.